Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Authorize Net Webhook Events List. This tutorial will provide a comprehensive overview of the topic, explaining key concepts, practical examples and best practices. To start, it's essential to understand what webhooks are. Webhooks are automated notifications sent by Authorize Net to a merchant's server. They notify the merchant of specific events, such as successful payments or declined transactions. Authorize Net provides a wide range of webhook events. These events can be categorized into several groups, including payment events, customer events, and subscription events. Payment events include notifications for successful payments, declined transactions, and refunds. These events are crucial for merchants to track the status of transactions and update their records. Accordingly, customer events include notifications for customer profile updates and customer information changes. These events enable merchants to keep their customer records up to date. Subscription events include notifications for subscription creation, updates, and cancellations. These events are vital for merchants who offer recurring payment plans. To receive webhook events, merchants need to set up a webhook listener on their server. This listener will receive and process the webhook notifications sent by Authorize Net. When setting up a webhook listener, it's essential to consider security and reliability. Merchants should ensure that their server is secure and can handle the webhook notifications efficiently. In terms of best practices, merchants should always validate the authenticity of webhook notifications and handle errors and exceptions properly. This will prevent any potential issues and ensure that the webhooks are processed correctly. In conclusion, the Authorize Net Webhook Events List provides a powerful tool for merchants to track and manage transactions, customer information, and subscriptions. By understanding the different types of webhook events and setting up a reliable webhook listener, merchants can streamline their operations and improve their overall customer experience.